Phoenix work? You can see all open positions and apply at phoenix.gov/jobs. This message is sponsored by the City of Phoenix.
On BritBox, there is a place where stories twist like cobblestone roads.
Wow, somebody went right through the power boxes.
And stakes are higher than seaside cliffs. Find places worth getting lost in on BritBox. Watch new
Wow,
series like
dude.
The Sister from the world of Jane
Dude.
Austen, and a woman of
You guys
substance
okay?
starring Golden Globe winner Deborah
Okay.
Loughlin. If you
Wow.
want to get away, you're in the
Woo,
right place.
boy.
Shoot the best of British TV on BritBox. Free trial at BritBox.com.
From the FIFA World Cup to competitive business environments, grand ambitions lead to game-changing achievements. At Bank of America,
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Stop recording. No, but there's some truck or something that's just venting tons of black smoke.
It is going to start to bring the moisture in.
There it goes again.
Up our storm chances. The best chances will be in the southeast.
What the heck is this thing burning?
We have had this whole season.
It's the one in front of this truck that's in front
all
of me.
these super El Nino
There's some kind of light gray truck. It's just venting lots of black smoke.
July 7th. Things really don't get firing until
Look at this.
about now mid-July. We still have about 3 months to go, so patience.
This is venting.
We do have rain
It's
chances
venting
on
dark black
Sunday,
smoke.
Monday, and even into Tuesday.
Ian, last one, pocket fire. You got an update? Are we closing in on this thing? Are we doing better? I know things are looking good.
27. Let Arizonans know who you recommend doing business
There's this
with.
white SUV that's just like diving back and forth between all three lanes. Where in the heck is it?
It's 2:46. I'm Becky Lynn. Here's what you need to know right now. New today,
This one
the
right
U.S.
here.
military launched a series of
is diving back and forth abruptly between lanes. I mean, what is the deal, guy? Or gal? J3A, 3E5. He's just, I don't know what his deal is, or her deal is. But he's just diving back and forth between lanes like that. It's just totally nuts in rush hour traffic.
Extreme heat warning through Thursday
GoPro,
night.
stop
Today's
recording.
high 114, and right now we're at 111 in Peoria. Another extreme heat day in the valley. Good thing selling your home is easy. Homes 2X buys on demand with a 100% full value.
Are you okay,
and
Miss Lady?
rent free. Learn more at homes2x.com.
Being hurt in an accident
Are you okay?
change your life, and we want you to be empowered in that situation. That's why we tell you to call Sweet James. Hey, it's Mike Burhead. When one of our listeners got hurt in a
I don't
motorcycle
know.
accident, he was shocked by the offer he got from an insurance company.
closer and closer to a water crisis every single day. The Colorado River is not flowing as much water as it used to, and all of the states along it still are trying to take out the same amount of water that they got when the levels were higher. We had Governor Hobbs in here just last week. We asked her about it. She said basically the state of Arizona is preparing for legal remedies, having to go to court to try to get more water. I say that, but guess what? So are Colorado, Utah.
GoPro, stop recording.
Nutrition.com.
What the heck are you doing, man? You don't know how to turn your car into a lane? Seriously? Now you're blocking 2 lanes.
You can get 4 weeks free when you call them and mention
You're seriously blocking 2 lanes, Mr. 3AA2K6. Jeez, man. GoPro, stop recording.
Together for one powerful purpose, mental health for all. Have you registered yet? Visit nanivos.org. That's nanivos.org. And join our club today.
GoPro, stop recording.
We can make a difference.
GoPro, stop recording.
Speaking out a little bit, follow me on this. We've learned this from the people who created AI chatbots, that AI wants to please you.
Oh, yes.
AI wants to tell you things you
GoPro,
want
stop
to hear.
recording.
AI wants you to keep coming back and using it.
GoPro, stop
So it's not
recording.
going-
Yeah, they just told me 7 weeks of moving all the lanes on northbound 51 to 2 lanes. So best speed through here is going to be 20 miles an hour, maybe 25. But that's going to be it for 7 weeks, unless everybody starts rerouting some other different way. But yep, narrow down to 2 left lanes. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. Just another thing to look forward to. Speed limit 45. Yeah, right. I'm going 25. So I guess that's better than not going at all. Down to Calback. It should speed up though when it comes back to all the lanes. GoPro, stop recording.